Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites, your VPN account details, or the provider app and a current iOS release. Once done, choose whether to use the provider's app for automatic setup or create a manual configuration in Settings. Open Settings, tap General, then VPN and Device Management, and select Add VPN Configuration. You do this now because entering server, remote ID, and credentials early avoids interruptions later. Make sure you understand which protocol you'll use, since that affects stability and speed. Now configure the core settings. If you chose manual setup, select ICAV2 for speed and reliability, then enter the server address, remote ID, and your username and password. Save and toggle the switch to test. If you use the provider's app, install it, approve the VPN profile when prompted, sign in, and press Connect. You should also consider enabling Connect on Demand or app-level auto-connect so your phone stays protected without manual intervention. This prevents accidental, unprotected sessions. Finish by confirming the VPN is active. Look for the VPN icon in the status bar and run a quick IP check to confirm your public address changed. If it won't connect, first toggle airplane mode or restart the phone, then re-enter credentials and try a different protocol such as UDP or ICAV2 to resolve compatibility issues. Make sure the provider app has permission to add VPN configurations. If problems continue, capture the app's diagnostic logs and contact support for a targeted fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.